Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Ford Fusion hybrid battery. You might be surprised to learn that for most Ford Fusion hybrids, there isn't an easy method for external charging because it's not designed for it. Instead, your car intelligently recharges its own battery. This happens primarily through two methods: regenerative braking, which captures energy when you slow down, and the gasoline engine, which acts as a generator. That's right, unlike a plug-in hybrid or an electric vehicle, your standard Ford Fusion hybrid doesn't have a port for you to plug in and charge its main high-voltage battery. The vehicle's sophisticated computer system constantly monitors and manages the battery's state of charge. By simply driving your car, whether on highways or in city traffic, you are actively participating in the recharging process, ensuring the battery remains at an optimal level for performance and efficiency. Now, if your car isn't starting, it's usually not the main hybrid battery that's the issue, but rather the smaller 12-volt battery, which powers the car's accessories and initiates the hybrid system. If this 12-volt battery is dead, you'll need to jump-start it just like you would a conventional gasoline car. Once the car is running, the hybrid system will then begin to recharge both the 12-volt battery and the main high-voltage battery pack. To keep your Ford Fusion hybrid's battery system in top shape, consistent driving is key, as it helps maintain the charge of the 12-volt battery and cycles the main hybrid battery. Always adhere to your vehicle's recommended service schedule. Professional checkups can identify potential issues early. Remember, your hybrid is designed to manage its own power, so trust its engineering. Also, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.